Good day, everyone. Today I will be discussing the modern music. So, what is modern music? Modern music is broadly defined as the breaking down of all traditional aesthetic conventions that eventually develop into unleashing complete freedom in all aesthetic dimensions, including melody, rhythm, and chord progression. So, when we say rejection of all music rules, it is because the earlier periods composer is constantly gonna follow strict guidelines when it comes to harmony and melody when creating music. But in modern composer, they wanted to experiment and create new sound. So this meant breaking traditional structures and expressing freedom in all musical elements. Before they follow major minor tonal system. Sa modern period, tanghadang wala nagasunod ani sa na sistema. This marked as the new beginning of musical era. Next, technology's impact in modern music era. So the development of recording technology changed music forever. No? With the use of technology, composer could record quickly record music quickly and cheaply. Ug sa una, expensive ang mag-record of music, but with technology, it became cheaper. And also, with the use of technology, composers also gained access to non-Western music. No? They have easier access, discovering a new musical ideas from many cultures. And also, technology introduced record sounds as a new instrument, giving rise to electronic music. This advancement led modern composer to believe that any sound, even noise, no, could be used musically. So, bisan pag noises di ay, no, pwede na siya mo part sa music. Pre-modern music. So there were two major types, which is folk music and art music. So when we say um, folk music naturally grew with different culture passed down through tradition and had simple structure, while art music, on the other hand, was created intentionally by skilled composers. It used advanced musical theory and had a serious formal quality. These true traditions form the foundation that modern music later challenged. Impressionism. Musical impressionism served as the bridge between romantic and modern music. So they are by transition between the both. So impressionist composer avoided strong tension and resolution, resulting in static harmony. Instead of using chord to drive the music forward, they used them for their color and sound. They created rich texture and expressed atmosphere rather than dramatic emotion. So there are two leading impressionist composers. They were Claude Debussy and Maurice Ravel. So Claude Debussy, who founded the style during the early modern period of music. So his famous um, art music is the piano work Clair de Lune, and also Maurice Ravel, who led Impressionism during the late modern, and his famous music work is orchestral work Bolero. So both of them wrote influential piano and orchestral music. Tonality in 19th to 1960. So a tonality was one of the biggest changes in modern music. For thousands of years now, nearly all world music relied on tonality. This means having a central note or key. A tonality changed this and created music without tonal center. This idea developed from heavy chromatism of late Romantic composer who used notes outside the traditional scale so frequently that the sense scale was lost. A tonality pushed music into completely new and familiar space. There are three categories on modern music. These are radical modern music, moderate modern music, and major minor tonal music. So radical modern music includes the most experimental styles like atonal music, and sound-based composition. And two is the moderate modern music. It still uses many traditional elements but incorporates heavy chromaticism, pushing the boundaries without fully breaking them. And lastly, the major minor tonal music, which continue the traditional tonal system and includes most film music, musicals, and popular music, to making it the mostly widely heard today. There are two famous modern composers who is Igor Stravinsky and Arnold Schoenberg. So Egon Stravinsky is an Austrian composer and is known as the leading composer of moderate modern music. And like radical modernists, he combined innovation with elements of tradition. His ballet The Rite of Spring is one of the most significant musical work of the 20th century. With its bold rhythms and new musical idea, it reshaped the possibilities of orchestral music and made Stravinsky an iconic modern composer. And second is Arnold Schoenberg. He is one of the most influential figure in atonal music. He created the 12-tone system, a method of organizing all 12 notes of the octave into a specific order called a tone arrow. So this sequence is repeated throughout the piece, forming the structure of the composition. Schoenberg's approach changed the course of modern music and became a major technique for composers in the 20th century. Next is the modern opera. Opera evolved during the modern period. Romantic opera lasted into early 20th century and then later on its style shifted to modern era where a composer like Benjamin Britten became the most popular composers. Britten's opera The Thorn of the Screw is his most performed work and is known for its haunting atmosphere and modern music language. And that is all. Thank you.